In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Notion calendar to your Google Calendar. This integration is a great way to keep your scheduling in sync across platforms, making life just a little bit easier when managing your tasks and appointments. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to have your Notion calendar open. This is where we'll begin our journey. Once you have this ready, look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you should notice a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This step will open up a range of options related to your Notion setup. Now that you're in the settings, find and select the Calendars section. This area is specifically dedicated to calendar functionalities, and it's where we'll find the option to link with Google Calendar. With the Calendars section open, you'll see an option labeled Connect Google Calendar. Click on it. At this point, you may need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already. You'll be prompted to enter the necessary credentials. Ensure that you're using the account connected to the calendar you want to sync with. Once signed in, you will see a screen requesting certain permissions. This is a crucial step as it allows the integration to manage and sync your calendars effectively. You might be asked to allow access to manage your calendars and view events. Rest assured, these are standard permissions to ensure the two platforms can communicate smoothly. Take a moment to review them if you like, and when you're ready, go ahead and grant the requested permissions by clicking Allow. Next, you'll have the opportunity to choose which of your Google calendars you'd like to sync with Notion. If you have multiple calendars, perhaps a personal one and a work one, you can decide which specific ones will be connected. This flexibility is helpful in maintaining organized and clutter-free scheduling. After making your selections, the final step to complete the connection is to click Allow. This will finalize the integration process, linking your Notion calendar with the chosen Google calendars. From here, events and changes made in one calendar should appear in the other, streamlining your scheduling process. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected your Notion calendar to Google Calendar. This integration will ensure that any updates or new events added to one calendar will reflect on the other, keeping your organization seamless and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tricks on leveraging your digital tools. Until next time, happy